Is the bull run over, or has altcoin season not even started yet? My name's EQ. I've helped over 1,300 people learn how to trade since 2021. And me personally, I think that altcoin season has not even started yet. And there's a few ways that you can see that on the charts. Now, obviously on the daily, we can see that Bitcoin has been going up exponentially. You can call this a God candle in certain cases. We want to see this liquidity test up to about 106 to 108,000 to see what happens. If this wants to pop the top and continue, we could easily see this push up to about 118, 120,000 in one impulse move. And then if this wanted to pull to the downside, we could theoretically see this pull to 87 to 82K and still maintain very bullish sentiment long term. And then the third play, obviously, is if Bitcoin goes sideways, and that would be more of a distribution. Now, in these scenarios, what you want to be looking for is money flowing from Bitcoin into the other altcoins. So a way that you can do that is by going to the total chart. So total itself is going to be the crypto total market cap chart. Total 2 is going to be the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, which is one that you want to see going up exponentially next, because that's also money that's flowing into Ethereum. And as money flows into Ethereum, it's also going to flow into the larger caps and all of the dApps that are within the Ethereum ecosystem, which in terms of dApps, Ethereum has the largest ecosystem. And then from there, there's a ton of layer 2s like Optimism, Base, Arbitrum, Polygon, you name it. There's probably 10 to 15 of those layer 2 scaling solutions that all have dApps built within them as well. So you naturally want to see the money flow into the major L1s like Ethereum, Solana, Binance, so on and so forth, and then it'll trickle down into the lower caps within those projects and within those networks. Now, the next chart you can go look at is Total 3. Total 3 is going to take out Bitcoin and Ethereum, so this one is referenced to as the altcoin chart. Now, once this one decides it wants to break $1.17 trillion, this is going to go into price discovery mode, and that's going to be potentially when we see the really true parabolic moves within altcoins, because we have not seen anything yet. We had little baby seasons, but we haven't gotten into the true super cycle or altcoin run, and that's where you can see projects doing 100x's and stuff like that. Now, one way that you can know if we're going to be getting into that true altcoin season is Bitcoin dominance. Now, if I zoom out on Bitcoin dominance, we're sitting at about 58% right now. But if I go back to 2021, notice this nice little sell-off that we had from about 70% all the way to about 40% in Bitcoin dominance. Now, with that in mind, what this is all the money flowing from Bitcoin into the altcoins. And the way that you would spot that is by Bitcoin losing its market dominance percentage. Now, it also looked very similar in 2017. Mind you, the sell-off at this one was higher because there were less altcoins around at this time, so Bitcoin's dominance was around 96% in comparison to 71% in 2021 because of how many other ecosystems and projects there were. But same style, you can see a really nice sell-off all the way down into the 30-40% range, and that's going to be your major bull run or altcoin season of 2017-2018. Now, going into 2023, 2024, and 2025, we have seen price go up. We've seen a little bit of a play. This right here would have been that first little altcoin season that most of us were happy and that we saw. Now, in this zone would have been the first really good altcoin season that we saw in about early and mid-November. But we haven't truly seen the altcoin season where this starts to sell off into the 40% range. So that's really what I'm looking for from a long-term perspective. For those of you that are in the EPIQ Trading Floor, I shaved another 20% off the Bitcoin trade since it was at 255%. I'll take that money, no problem. I also moved up my trailing stop loss to 102,000 on this trade. And if you want to come trade with me or get access to our academy, community, buy and sell signals, everything like that, go to epictradingfloor.com. That link is going to be tagged and I'll have it in the description as well. And then when you land on the homepage, you can start your free trial. It'll give you 72 hours of access for free. If you like it and want to be part of our community, amazing. If you don't, you can cancel at any time and you won't be charged and I won't take it personally. That's why we offer the free trial. So it's a rational and logical decision versus emotional. And all in all, we're just going to watch Bitcoin dominance play out and continue to see where the money is flowing into. So I hope you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you learned anything in this video, hit that like button. Drop any comments if you have any questions. And I will see you on the next one.